Hey kids, it's Moony. Today we're gonna play with Chase from Paw Patrol Moto Pups. Are you excited?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you excited?
Yes!
Me too. Let's do it. I grabbed the instructions. Time to build the toy. Let's put some stickers on the toy. First, we put the Paw Patrol logo right here. Whoa! We put the tool sticker here. We put the other tool sticker on this side. Put the Chase sticker right here. We did it!
Yay!
First, we grab Chase, put him on this platform to see all of the sounds the toy makes. I love this song. Sounds like he's revving up his motorcycle. Put on your seatbelt, Chase. Awesome. Put him in his motorcycle. He's got a seatbelt for safety. Are you ready? First, we lock it in its place. Time for Chase to go for a ride.
Wow!
Cool! All right, let's send Chase into the pool.
Wow!
Thank you so much for playing with me today. from Moony and Chase from Paw Patrol. Wave goodnight to the men for me.